Let's take a look at two students' work from number 4 of your quiz. This is how Casey solved this problem, and this is how Steven solved this problem. Look carefully at each friend's work and decide, who do you agree with? Whose work accurately matches what's happening in the problem? Say your answers out loud. Make sure you share who you agree with and why you think their work is stronger. I see that we're getting some different answers. If you agreed with Casey, why do you agree with Casey's work? Say your answer out loud. I heard you say that you agree with Casey's work because she knew that we were missing an end time and needed to jump forward. So she plotted the start time and then broke up each of these elapsed times into jumps that make sense to her. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 40 minutes, and 1 minute, all added together, give us a total of 56 minutes for our elapsed time. Interesting. If you agree with Steven's work, why do you agree with Steven's work? Say your answer out loud. I heard you say that you agree with Steven's work because Steven didn't try to make a big jump that's 40 minutes long, and instead he broke up his jumps into 10-minute intervals, a 5-minute interval, and a 1-minute interval because that was what would help him be accurate and precise. I noticed that both of these students decided that Mrs. Salinas' jog ends at 6:41. Whose work is correct then? Nice job. I couldn't trick you. Actually, both of these students' work is accurate. Why? That's right. Both of these students' strategies worked because both of them recognized that we can have more than one elapsed time. They knew that we can add our elapsed times together to get a total elapsed time. And then both of these students just broke up our 56 minutes into chunks that made sense to them. Casey jumped 5 minutes first to get from 5:45 to 5:50 because she knew that making the next 10 for her was easy. Steven started by making 10-minute jumps because he knew that only the tens place in our minutes would be changing, and that was easy for him. Today, as you work, it's important to remember that we can break up our elapsed time into jumps that make sense to us. When we have more than one elapsed time, we can combine all of the elapsed times first to get a total and then make efficient jumps.